Match the autoimmune diseases in column 1 for the self-antigens in column 2. Let's look at the diseases mentioned in column 1 individually. Rheumatoid arthritis. This is a chronic autoimmune disease that affects the joints and other connective tissues. This causes inflammation and damages in the synovial membranes, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and bones. Myasthenia gravis. It is a long-term neuromuscular junction disease that leads to varying degrees of skeletal muscle weakness. The most commonly affected muscles are those of the eyes, the face, and the ones which are involved in swallowing action. Multiple sclerosis. This is a potentially disabling disease of the brain and the spinal cord, so basically the CNS or the central nervous system. Here, the immune system attacks the protective sheath, that is the myelin, that covers the nerve fibers and causes communication problems between brain and the rest of the body. Systemic lupus erythematosus. This is an immune system disease where it attacks its own tissues, causing widespread inflammation and tissue damage in the affected organs. This can affect the joints, skin, brain, lungs, and several other organ systems. So now, taking all this information together and coming back to the question, we can again look for key terms to identify the correct self-antigens for these diseases. So for the first one, which is rheumatoid arthritis, the correct self-antigen is connective tissue because it affects the joints. Next, Q is DNA because it had systemic effects. Next is myasthenia gravis, for which and we had seen it was a neuromuscular junction disorder or disease. And the last one, multiple sclerosis, is myelin because it affected the myelin sheath. So the answer to this question is B. To know more about immune system and autoimmune disorders, you can refer to this course offered by NPTEL.